ku-21st century. Anyone who doesn't think about having online store, that person is late already. That person is late already. You are late because ShopRite, they sell online. Checkers, they sell online. Woolworths sells online. Why don't you sell online? Only petrol can buy it online. But almost everything you can buy it now online. There is no need of queuing that Vodacom buying a phone. They bring a phone to you. They bring a phone to you. And let's go digital. Let's go online. Rather than taking our product, giving to the pharmacists to make profit. And these people, they pay after 60 days. Not that they pay immediately when you send a product. They don't buy. They merchandise the product. We as Africans, we have to tell us each other about things that will make us poor. These things of merchandising is not good for us. It is not. It's good for big companies. We are small in terms of business. Not even one of our companies are JSE registered with Johannesburg Stock Exchange. Not even one. I think it's called registered. So why are you pegging business? Why are you pegging business herbal shops? Let them make theirs. If bona befuna ama product with high farmers, let them buy from your distributors. How is that? Let them buy from your agent, not from you. You sell this thing to the distributor. Distributor sells to the agent, and agent you sell it to the farmers. That's all. Not direct when. It kills you. You can't control the economy if you like that. You literally cannot. The way you are broke, January, you got nothing. If farmers are cocktail, that is how you're depending. On a new, on a fuck all. Because on the stress, ama-farmers awakakhokhi. Usekuthintile usazi futhi. Kunento ayifuna wena unazo. Le mali ayifuna unayo. Ngoba ifika idlula. No, asikhulumeni into eyiqiniso. Eyinto futhi, let's try to formally package ama-product ethu. Let's try to formally package the product ethu. Be innovative. Like myself, this is a product engiyidayisayo yabo. I product lena engiyinikeza abantu abazishimana. Ntombi kayibhinqi o powder untombi kayibhinqi o amafutha. Isebenzisa lento umshimane ufuna ukuphumelela intweni zakho. Nako ke manje sesiyayipackage ke manje nakhe. Yabo angithi mina bengibanika abantu badayisela kanje yabo. Mufika nje ngifike kunika nje uhambe kuyalela ukuthi lokho uzokhotha lokho